Part 3. Assembly. These videos are designed to provide supplemental information. It is highly recommended that a qualified maintenance technician with heavy maintenance endorsement perform this level of maintenance work. With all parts cleaned and dried, prepare your new O-rings or carburetor kit and appropriate new replacement parts. Place a new O-ring onto the throttle shaft, taking care not to. The throttle shaft should be aligned so that the chamfers for the butterfly. Place the choke valve shaft with O-ring into the choke. Place the needle valve into the valve seat